Unity is strength. Once upon a time, in a little village, there lived a couple and their 3 daughters. The girls were helpful, kind, and fearless. But they were always fighting with each other.
Meera, Seema, Kavita, come inside. Your mother has made laddus.
The girls came in from the playground.
What a wonderful smell. These laddus look delicious. I'll take the biggest one.
You always have the best of everything. I'll have the biggest laddu today.
No, I'm the youngest, so I must have the biggest laddu. Move your hands away. You are such a baby. When will you grow up, Kavita?
I am the youngest. Haha, everyone knows she loves me the most.
Oh God, both of you are so silly. I'm the eldest, so obviously she loves me the most. The whole village knows that. Let us ask Father about this. Father, who do you think Mother loves the most? It's me, isn't it?
Our home will be filled with happiness the day you 3 stop arguing over such silly things. No laddus for any of you until you stop fighting. Go back outside and play in the shade.
They go out arguing. Some villagers passing by see the sisters fighting and stop.
Fighting as usual. I wonder why.
Oh, it's just mindless fighting. They need to learn some kindness and generosity.
Look, they have started off again. Let's ask them why. Why are you fighting, Kavita?
Uncle, we used this old tire and built a swing. I want to swing on it first, but my sisters are fighting with me.
The villagers laughed and went on their way. The parents watched the villagers laughing and their daughters fighting.
Girls, come, let's play a new game. Here, I'll give each one of you 10 sticks. You have to break each stick into half. The one who does it first will get the biggest laddu.
The girls started snapping the sticks in half. Within minutes, all the sticks were broken.
I finished first.
Don't cheat. Mother knows that I finished first.
No, I was first. Right, Father?
The game isn't over yet. Here is a bundle of sticks for each of you.
You can't take the sticks out of the bundle. You have to break the whole bundle.
Mother gives a bundle of sticks to each of the girls.
Oh, Father, I can't break the bundle. It's too hard.
No way, Mother. This is impossible.
No one can break a bundle of sticks. Why did you give us such a task? You 3 are like these sticks. If you stay united, no one will be able to harm you in any way. If you don't stick together, everybody will laugh at you and trouble you.
The 3 sisters understood the power of unity. Though it took them some time to change, they started helping each other and never fought again.